A shift in our mindset is often the greatest tool for our fulfillment. Rather than making our spiritual selves fit into this box of what we perceive as the real world, sometimes what we need to do is redefine for ourselves what we actually want our real world to look like. Life shouldn't just happen to us. We determine the course of our lives. It's vital to our happiness and success that we accept the benefits of prioritizing our spirituality. I'm Elyse Welles, and I'm here to tell you about my first online course, Manifesting a Spiritual Life. In this course, I'm going to work to teach you as many powerful spiritual practices as I possibly can to help you engage with spirit every day of your life. I'm really excited about this course because manifesting a spiritual life is a very personal practice, but it's also something that sometimes we need a little bit of guidance or a little bit of confidence to move forward with our intuition. We're going to discuss what your energy compass is and how you can use that for yourself, your environment, and the opportunities that come your way. We're going to talk about the importance of time and energy as our resources in this life. We're going to think about shadow work and how that can be beneficial when we introspect. We'll talk about mindset shifts, balancing ego, and building self-confidence in a healthy way. We'll look at coming to Deity and build personal practices for relationships with spirit. Each lesson is going to start with the video, which I recommend watching first. And then you'll see 4 basic parts in every chapter of the workbook. The first part is going to summarize a lot of what we talk about in the lesson, but also give you diagrams to reference what we talk about. Then you're going to find the actions and exercises. And these are going to help you connect to the meat of the lesson. After the actions and exercises, you're going to find 4K meditations that you can use to connect to the lesson in a deeper, more personal way. And these meditations are usable auditorily as well as visually or in concurrence. So feel free to use them however you need to. The last page of every chapter is going to be a printable poster that you can post in your ritual space or your book of shadows to use as affirmations. And these affirmations can be adapted for your own practice or used as they are in your morning rituals, before bed, or whenever you need them throughout the day. This is a 13-lesson course, and it's self-paced, but that doesn't mean that I'm not there every step of the way for your questions. I'm really looking forward to working with you and helping you to manifest your best spiritual life. For more information or to sign up for the course, visit the link in the description below. And sign up for my newsletter at seekingnumina.com for a 25% off code and a free guide to shielding your energy. You'll also be the first to know about upcoming workshops and events and coaching discounts. Blessed be.